Coverage with Terry DeBoer.
Well, that's right. Yeah, it's a good old-fashioned winter storm system, not lake effect, so that basically means this is an equal opportunity snow event for us. Wherever you may be traveling today, you're going to see widespread snow. It looks like by about noon or early afternoon, we should start to see some of the snow lighten up from Grand Rapids to the west and north. So this won't be an all-day event, but boy, this morning we've got several more hours of widespread snow coming our way, and that means that the snow is already starting to pile up on some area roadways. As we check out conditions all across West Michigan this morning, really it is equal opportunity in terms of the nature of this snow. It is that fine powdery snow that's been falling now in most locations for at least 5 to 6 hours. We've got temperatures outside this morning that are holding pretty steady in the teens, and those wind chills or feels like readings are in the single figures because we don't have a whole lot of wind. We've got meteorologist Matt Kirkwood outside, and Matt, you are indeed tracking the accumulation that is likely to unfold.
Yeah, I got here earlier this morning right around 3:30, and I just checked out on the car. About an inch of snow has fallen here in the Grand Rapids area, a little bit more to the south. And looking upstream, there hasn't been any locations such as Iowa and into northern Illinois that's exceeded 4 inches. But still, this is going to be a long duration event, especially south of Grand Rapids. We'll likely see it come to an end in Grand Rapids area sometime right around the noon hour. I'm not overly impressed with the size of the snowflakes. You kind of need those bigger snowflakes to really start accumulating, so we'll keep an eye on it. This is what we're going with right now, and this is what the National Weather Service has in terms of the advisory and also the warning. It looks like for the most part, where the advisory is from Ottawa, Kent, Ionia County to the south, it looks as if we will see it expired right around 4 o'clock. The warning expires at 7 o'clock. We're going about 5 inches of snow here to 4 inches in Grand Rapids, possibly 8 to 10 right around the Kalamazoo and Battle Creek area. Teresa, Casey?
We want to check out the latest conditions in Kalamazoo. As Matt was saying, probably one of the areas that's going to get hit the hardest. Take a look at this time-lapse video we have from overnight showing that snow piling up near Bronson Park.
We expect this area to get hit the hardest when it comes to snow totals. 24-hour News 8's Catherine Ducharme is out on the roads right now. Catherine, where are you? What are you seeing?
Hey guys, good morning. And in the last 30 minutes since we've talked, I've noticed road conditions have gotten maybe a little bit worse, but not by much. They're just a bit snowier in areas. We were on 131 south. We made it to 94 west, just west of Kalamazoo. So 94, like I said, maybe a little bit snowier than 131 in areas, but not by much. The on-ramp was pretty snowy. The biggest problem we've come across this morning, like I mentioned, is that blowing snow when other drivers pass you. It blows up on your windshield and causes some visibility issues for a second, but also those side roads, those main roads are a mess. At least they were when we left around 4 this morning. So expect them to be snow covered and slick, especially if you're getting ready to head out right now. But we're taking it slow out here. We've been going about 55 miles an hour. So it's one of those days you're going to want to leave early, give yourself plenty of time to get to where you're going this morning. And as I mentioned, we're going to check out Kalamazoo more, one of those areas where it's really supposed to hit hard. Those road conditions could be really tough. We're going to check those main roads, secondary roads for you, and check back in about 30 minutes or so. Back to you guys.